Hi, my name is On Gelbendorf from WixMeUp, and in this video I'm going to show you how to update the SEO settings of your page in your Wix website. Stay tuned. Okay, so we're here in a Wix template that's related to a dentist clinic. And before we start, I just wanted to explain what is a SEO. So SEO is a search engine optimization. It's the practice of increasing the quantity and quality of traffic to your website through organic search engine results. And basically, in a simple words, is the settings for your website that help the search engine to understand what is your website is all about, what is the main topics that need to be noticed, and how to read your website. So today, like I said, I'm going to show you how to set the settings of the page in your website. To start, we just need to go to the editor. So I will open here the editor, and then I'm going to the pages in the top left and press on manage pages. Here you can see two pages. There is the home page and book online. All the other title here is for anchor. It's not an actual page. But if you have an actual page, you can go to the three dots, press on settings, and then SEO Google, or you can press on three dots and then page SEO. In this page, you will see a few things. There is the view, and it's how Google will present the page. I will explain it in about a minute. You have the title that will show here. You have the description that we will show here. And the green area is the URL, is the page URL. And here in the bottom, you can see that there is a place to put the keywords. So if we're speaking about the title, you can see that Wix already put like a title for an example. Of course, you need to change it. You can press also on the information icon to understand, to better understand what you need to put. So I already prepared a title, so I can put it here. We have the name of the clinic, we have the area of expertise, of course, and the position, New York City. Of course, you can put whatever you want. If you can see, when we change it here, we will see the change over here. So in description, the same, already prepare something, and you just need to describe what there is in the page. Like we provide the best in general cosmetic, dentistry, wide, vast experience in the field of tooth whitening and all. Of course, you need to put something unique that's related to this page, and you can see it's already changed over here. So if we're going to Google and we press dentist in US, so we see that Google give you lots of results, and each result show you the title in blue and the description in gray and the URL. And same like here, you will define what is the title of this page in the blue area here, and the description. So whatever you put here, this is how Google will show in the results, in the result area when you will find your website. So the last thing that you need to do is to put some keywords. You just need to think about like 10 keywords that related to your page. Of course, it's supposed to be a keyword like dental clinic in this case, or teeth whitening and all. And that's it. We have the title, description, and keywords for this page. You need to go over each page in your website and put a unique title, unique description, and keywords. And after you finish, just press, of course, save and publish. And that's it. This is how you set your SEO setting for a page in Wix. If this video was helpful, please make sure you like and subscribe, and until next time, have a great day.